Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are looking into 1071 greatest common divisor of strings. I'm just remaining about our playlist here. So we are currently looking into LeetCode 75. So I am solving the second one in LeetCode 75 list. So let's get started with this one. So what is this problem? So here we are given two strings and we need to find what is the greatest common divisor. So we already know what is GCD, right? In our primary school we already learned about what is GCD. So now it's the time for seeing the application of it. Okay. To solve this issue, so what I'm going to follow is I'm going to follow a recursive way. I'm not completely following a recursive way. I'm using a recursive function inside of this particular solution, and so that we can solve this one. So recursion is nothing but here, as you already know, GCD is a recursive process that we do. So that's the same thing that we are going to do. So first, what we are going to check is we need to check one basic condition, that if str1 plus str2 is equals to str2 plus str1. So this is a base condition to find out if any two strings are having greatest common divisor. So one of these strings should be divisible by another one. So that is a basic condition. So that is what we are checking here. And the next one is we need to find GCD. So for finding GCD, first we need to get those lengths. Length one is nothing but str1 length, and length 2 is nothing but str2 dot length. Okay, so after getting these lengths, I'm trying to get a substring of it. I'm trying to get a substring of str1 or str2, anything will work. So 0 comma, what is the length I'm taking here we will come to know what is the here we will use the actual GCD function. So first I will write down the function. So this is a static function. Without static also it will work. Okay, GCD of length 1 and length 2. That's it. And what we're going to do is if length 1 is equals to 0, then return, I think if length 2 is equals to 0, then return length 1. Why we are returning is, so actually what is the GCD here? We just uh, what we will do is length 2. So this is actual length 1 percent length 2, that is the one, right? If the length 2 is going to be 0, then we are going to get exception. So that's why at that moment we need to break and we need to return the length 1. So this is a basic GCD function that we did in mathematics in primary school. So that is the one. And here I'm going to use the same function, GCD of length 1 comma length 2. That's it. And at the end, if this condition is not meeting, then we are not going to have any common divisible strings between them. That's it. This is a solution. I'm going to submit it. Yes, it's worked absolutely fine. It is the best solution that you can get. So yes, this is all about today's problem, greatest common divisor of strings. Okay, thank you everyone.